Welcome to Easy Cooking, and today we're going to be making Lamington cakes from Australia. Starting off with a bit of history, the formal origin of Lamington cakes are unknown. However, there are theories of how it was created. One theory was that the cake was brought over to Australia by Lady Lamington, who was originally from New Zealand. Another theory was that the cake was created by the chef of Lord Lamington from 1869 to 1901 accidentally when he dropped sponge cake into chocolate. Here are the ingredients you will need for today's recipe: sugar, all-purpose flour, shredded coconut, confectionery sugar or powdered sugar, dark chocolate, cornstarch, baking powder, unsalted butter, and whole milk. To start off, we are separating our dry ingredients from our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, measure our 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and place it into a sifter. In order to get a smooth consistency, we're sifting our dry ingredients to get rid of the lumps and any clusters. Then add 1/3 cups of cornstarch. Again, be sure to sift the dry ingredients. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and set aside your dry ingredients. In another bowl, start working on your wet ingredients. Start by measuring out 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Then add 2 sticks minus 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to your mixture. Grab 3 eggs and crack them into your bowl. Measure out half a cup of milk and add it to your mixture. Again, make sure your milk is room temperature. With an electric hand mixer on low speed, start mixing your wet ingredients. After a while, your wet ingredients should be fully incorporated amongst each other. Then it is time to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Grab a square dish, preferably a rectangle dish, and lather it with some butter. This will prevent your cake from sticking to the container. After, go ahead and pour your batter mixture. Bake your batter for 30 minutes in 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To be sure, poke a little toothpick into your cake in between wing piers to ensure no wet batter is left. Starting off on our icing, take a small pot and place a large bowl on top. The hot steam from the bottom will melt the ingredients on the top bowl later on. Wait until it steams and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter once again. Once your butter has turned liquid, add your dark chocolate alongside with 1 cup of powdered sugar. From this point on, add milk if the mixture becomes too thick. After 30 minutes, take out your cake and place on a rack to cool. It was harder to film the cooling process, but basically once the cake has cooled for about 10 minutes, you'll want to cut them into your desired size cubes and dip them into your chocolate ganache mixture after coating the sponge cake with shredded coconut. Your result should look a little something like this.